Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of April in my B6 Rings Planner by Printpression using this Wonderland B6 kit by ReddHeadStickers. If you are new here and this is your very first video watching, hello, welcome. Like I said, my name is Megan. I craft with all different kinds of art media, from art books to planners to craft hauls and different kinds of scrapbooking. So if you are interested in seeing any of my videos, you can click the description box below. There are several different playlists related to each category of planning and crafting, so you can browse through that. Also in the description box is my link tree, which has all of my different PR and social links. Some of them are affiliate, but there is a specific section that says affiliate links, so you don't have to worry about that. I am on a PR for ReddHeadStickers, so if you guys are wanting to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan. It will save you 15% off, and you will get my freebie, and this is what the freebie looks like. It is so pretty. Alrighty guys, so like I said, this is my B6 Rings Planner, and I actually did a setup video on the planner in my March Books YouTube collab loop. So if you're interested in seeing that, you can check out that video. But let's go ahead and jump into April. So before we jump into April, I wanted to show you that I changed my dashboard and everything for the month. So the clips are the same, but I added this Smile More, Worry Less, and Be Thankful journaling card that I got from a freebie. And then this is my little Growing Modestly journaling card that I have in here for the month of April. And I think it is so fun and so happy, and it just makes me smile every time I look at it. So let's move in to my section tabs. Here is my monthly section tab, and as you can see, I have added some vellum and some scrapbooking papers and things to my planner, so I will go through that all in a separate video so you guys can see that, because I am adding a lot more. But right now in my monthly, I have this little vellum that says do more of what you love, with little coffee stain vellum behind it, and then my monthly what is this called, dashboard with, and these are all from Crystal Plans, but like I said, I will be showing that in a later video. All right, so here is the monthly, and we're going to go ahead and pull it out. If you saw last month's video, then you know that the opposite side I like to do a currently. I haven't figured out what I'm doing with this side yet, but it's only been a month since I've had this planner, so understandable that I'm not quite sure what to do with it. But okay, let's start. Whoops. Let go, by adding some washi to the spread. Which one do we want to do? This is obviously not the full size washi, but I think we can still use it for the dates, because I feel like that would be okay to use. I always say you can make any kit work with any kind of spread you have, so this is specifically B6, so that's why I had gotten it a while back. I actually think I got this back in 2023, and I was getting it originally for the weeks, but now that I have a B6 planner, I was like, well, this is just perfect. I can use this already. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this out, the rest of this spread here, with the last bit of this washi. Whoop, okay. And carry the rest on this side. Okay, now we have a little bit left, which is okay. Alrighty. That's a little crooked, isn't it? Well, it might just have to stay crooked because I'm pretty sure I ripped the page. Oopsie. Okay, now let's do the days of the week. I already forgot which way this is, starting with a Monday. Okay, that's what I thought, but I wasn't quite sure, so we'll do our days of the week here. Now you can't really tell that it's crooked, which is what I wanted to begin with. Do you guys have a specific color that you designate for a specific month? For me, I feel like blue is a good April color, but sometimes I feel like a different color is good as well. Does that make sense? And then Monday, starts, or sorry, the month starts on the 1st. So let's put our date covers on. Once I find my tweezers, right, I found them. Okay, so let's put the dates on. All right, got our dates down. That looks super cute. Okay, now I want to add some of this washi because I feel like it just needs it, right? Like it just needs a little pop of color here. So I'm going to put this down here at the bottom. Now this isn't the exact same color as the actual kit, but I feel like the colors match pretty well. Like it's a good color scheme. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I definitely feel like this is this is a good picnicky color, if anything. So yes. Oh my gosh, you guys! I think I just finished this washi. I did. Whoops. That is all the washi we've got left, and I need to do the currently too. So we'll have to save this washi for the currently because I need that. Okay. I'm going to use these glitter strips, and I feel like I have, oopsie, I feel like I have more glitter strips, so if I need them, maybe I should put them at the top. That may be better. I'll do a little squiggly to finish it off. And start this one over here. Just like this. Whoops. Well, hopefully this will come off. There we go. Wanted it to go all the way at the end, but sometimes the sticker does not want to work with me. That is okay. All right, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Alrighty, now I'm going to fill out the bottom of the spread, probably with this little picnic girl, maybe. Ooh, how about we put this one here, and yeah, I do like this picnicky girl. We're going to put her right in the center of these two. Look at that, so cute. And then I think I'm going to, cut it in half maybe. Okay. Put one there. And one right next to it. Okay. And I'm thinking of adding this food collection here. Yeah, that's fun. I like that. Okay, let's do the currently. And like I said, we don't have too much of this washi left. So I'm going to cut it in half so that we can make one whole strip. Okay. I lost all its sticky, so I'm improvising here. There we go, guys. That was literally just enough washi for that top corner. That's perfect. And then what we're going to do, first of all, is put the cap on this glue stick so I don't waste it. But also, since we have a little bit of this washi left, we are going to put it underneath the bottom here. Okay. And I don't know what exactly I'm going to use this currently page for. Last month I used it as like a snapshot of my, like in the middle of my reading, but I don't know what I want to use this for this month. So we'll have to wait and see, because I don't know. I do like having this page here. Maybe it'll just be like a memories page. There's somebody that I follow on TikTok, and she does like monthly memories, and I really like that idea. So I think that might be what I do, because what this monthly is for is just a fun thing. If you've seen any of my monthly remixes on my Instagram, that's exactly what I'm doing with this. Let's put that there. And we will use these boxes. They're here. We might as well use them for little memories, little snapshots in the month. I think that's exactly what I'm going to do, is just do like monthly memories. Okay, and then we have some more over here. No! Let go. Okay, I've got a lot of stickers here. Sticker fingers. So let's figure out. Definitely. I want to do that here. These two colors together are cute. Put a purple one over there. Maybe not that purple one though. We'll use one of these sparkly purple ones instead. And this one, like that. Put that one there, like that, and one there. There we go. Not bad at all. I do want to do one thing over here. Okay, I have this April here, and I want to put it on a scallop. I'm going to use the yellow one. Thinking of putting it on this side. There we go. I think that's it. I really don't think I need anything else, because like I said, this is going to be my monthly remix, so there's not going to be really any need for any decorations or anything. All right, so let's go ahead and put it back in my planner. So here we go. That's cute. What do you guys think? I like it. And then we've got our currently here, which I will find a title. I just don't know where my titles went, because this one was the only one that I had. So I will find a title, and I will show you guys the After the Pen for this when I set up May. I'm just filming a little bit ahead of time, so I don't have all of April done or March done yet, but I will show it to you guys. At least I'll show you March's After the Pen when I do my May setup. And hopefully I'll be able to show you April as well. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed my setup, and I hope you enjoyed seeing how I use this planner. Once again, if you want to see my setup video, I do have a haul, a planner setup, and the March setup for the monthly and then the first weekly, which I can actually show you my weekly. So that was the weekly spread that I did in that video. So this is kind of what I like to do with my weeklies. It's just just a fun planner that I use. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. Let me know in the comments section down below if you like this kind of setup, if you want to see more of this planner, and what your favorite thing about this kit was. I really like the lavender colors, and I think this is a beautiful kit. Like I said, this kit is from ReddHeadStickers, so if you want to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan, and it will save you 15% off. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye, guys!